Hi, I have July Birchbox here. Have to show you. Okay, so let's turn you around. Okay, so this will give you a good idea of what's involved with this gorgeous brand. I love this brand actually, and I needed some suntan lotion, so perfect. This works well, I've tried it. It gives a real bronzed look actually. I've not tried that last one, hence why there was no commentary. This brand, another top brand, and in fact that last brand I'm sure is a very well-known top brand, so I'm really pleased actually with everything I've received. It is honestly such a treat. I've done a photo unboxing, so it will say a lot more about these, what I think, which is all good. Otherwise I certainly wouldn't have put this video up. Now these sheet masks, if you like me and you find that they don't sit that brilliant, I found they are fantastic for under the eye area. So I've realised I can make 5 pairs of eye masks that are better than most eye creams, or as good as the real expensive eye creams. So there we go, let's just do the back of that one. And like I say, I've got an unboxing photograph on Instagram. I didn't show the back of one of these. It's this one. This does come out a little bit sticky, but when it's on the cheek area, it looks fab, honest. And I would just top this off with a little bit of highlight just at the top of the cheekbone. Be absolute perfect then. Works well on your lips as well. I usually use a lip liner when I use these, but yeah, I'm super pleased because I'm falling over. Oh, well, you get the gist. So I'm just trying to show you the size comparison. I mean, it's not really going for it, but there's the title. Oh, back front, back. And the sneak peek. So basically a bronzer or a highlighter. And you know what? I can't decide. So anyway, I hope you liked the reveal, and I may just do some more. See you later.